Do you want to create high-quality YouTube videos without video editing skills or expensive software? In this video, I'll show you how to use Pictory, a free AI tool that automatically transforms text into professional videos with voiceovers, stock footage, and captions. Curious? Ready to take the challenge? If yes, let's get started. Creating engaging YouTube videos can be overwhelming. Writing scripts takes time. Finding high-quality visuals is difficult. Recording voiceovers requires good equipment. Editing videos is complicated. But what if AI could do all of this for you automatically, for free? Pictory is an AI-powered tool that can generate professional YouTube videos from text in minutes. It selects relevant stock footage, adds subtitles, and generates voiceovers with natural-sounding AI voices. First, we need a script. You can write your own or use ChatGPT to generate one instantly. Keep it clear and engaging for your audience. Sign up for a free Pictory account. Click Create Video from Script and paste your text. Pictory's AI will automatically match relevant stock footage to your content. Choose an AI-generated voiceover or upload your own recording. Customize text overlays, transitions, and branding to match your style. Want to enhance your video further? You can fine-tune the visuals by selecting different stock footage. Adjust the voiceover tone and speed for a natural feel. Add background music to make your video more engaging. Need advanced customization? Use InVideo for extra effects or Runway ML for AI-powered video enhancements. Once your video is ready, optimize it for YouTube using vidIQ. Find the best video title, tags, and description. Analyze competitors to improve ranking. Boost engagement with AI-powered suggestions. Download your completed video from Pictory. Upload it to YouTube. Use vidIQ to optimize title, description, and tags. Create a custom thumbnail using Canva. Want to create YouTube Shorts or TikToks from your video? Use vidAI. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more AI-powered content. Watch my playlist of other free AI tools. Check out my AI designs and artwork. Need AI-generated videos at scale? Contact me. Now it's time to take action. Use Pictory to generate your AI video. Create a thumbnail using Canva AI. Optimize for YouTube using vidIQ. Let's make your video now.